Hey guys, Sonny here, back from another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remake the new Meduza track, Born to Love. So all the sounds, presets, drums are coming from the new pack Future Selection. So if you want a pack, make sure to check the link down below. So the final result will sound like this.
I was born to.
So the presets are coming from Future Selection, and if you want a project file, make sure to check my Patreon. So now we're gonna dive into the remake. First we're gonna make the drums, then the bass line, and then the ambient sounds. So the drums are quite basic. First we start off with a kick drum, and a clap, with quite some reverb, and a simple head, layered with a shaker. Then we added some close hi-hats that are quite off the grid. Some more shakers, bends to the right, and this little snare fill. And that's it for the drums, so now we're gonna dive into the bass. So now we're gonna dive into the bass line sounding like this. So selecting a preset, we're gonna go for the PWM wavetable, this one. We're gonna lower it down to octaves. Wavetable position just around here. Now we're gonna enable oscillator B. Lower down to octaves. Now we're gonna go for the square wave. Slightly add some more unisons and detune it. Now we're gonna route it to the filter. Low 24. Cut off just around here. And route envelope 2 to it. Shape the envelope like this. Gonna be a really short one to really have that punchy bass line. Cut off around here. Add some more drive. As this already gets the kind of character of the bass line, so then we're gonna add a clean sub to it to make sure we have the tight low end level all the way up. Now we're gonna add some more punch to it by routing envelope 3 to the master tuning. It always helps quite a lot with bass lines to really make them stand out more. Then we're gonna dive into effects. First we're gonna really destroy the sound and then filter it again. So first we're gonna add an OTT with a gain around here, some hyperdimension, shape like this, some layer 2 distortion with envelope 2 to the drive. Add some more punch to it. As you can hear, this already too much, so it's time to add a second filter. It's gonna be a low 24. Shape like this. Now we're gonna add some more EQing. We're gonna slightly boost the high end of the sound. A chorus effect. With a mix just one here. And some reverb to the top end of the sound, so low cut around here. Mix quite low. And lower down the volume of the sub just a little bit. But the master volume as well. So then we have the main bass line, so now we're gonna dive into leads. So the first lead is just that typical Meduza sound. Play it around here. Then we have the second lead, sounding like this. Which is the same lead but then doubled with a saw wave. Then we have an ambient sound, sounding like this, which is a shifting saw wave with a cutoff opening up. And then the final sound is just this ARP sound. So altogether the sounds will sound like this.
I was born to.
So if you want a project file, make sure to check my Patreon. If you want the presets, Make sure to check future selection from 3. And if you like the video, please leave a like and see more, subscribe button, and I see you all next videos.